The squeeze setup that we talked about inside of DTE Energy is still active, and today we had an opportunity to enter at a price better than even the one our backtester had. The squeeze is still active, and we're waiting for the squeeze to fire. For those of you looking for a nice squeeze setup, here's one that's still active, and I'll break down what the setup is in today's video. If you'd like more context, I'll leave a link to our previous one in which I talk about this setup as well. Quick overview of what this setup entails. Over the past, more than 20 some odd years, I think almost 30 years, this setup has had a really nice win to loss rate. 41 winners, 2 losers. Of these 2 losers, one was in 2020, the other was in 2018. 2 years in which, for those of you that have been trading for some time, that would be an aha moment. We just got filled for some more shares using our automated orders inside of DTE. So now we're looking for this long side setup here, or the squeeze to fire long inside of DTE. Now this all started with that nice win to loss rate. We have an average win percentage of 3.87%. And if we use what our backtesters entry is, that was an entry near that 126 mark, 125.95. Now, if we use 125.95 and we take this average win percentage of 3.87 and we use that to predict where we think an exit is, that gives us this price right here, 130.62. That's where I currently have the sell order for that first automated trading condition that got filled. Now, we've gotten some more orders since, so I'll go in and update the quantity, but the overall exit plan remains the same. You could either use this number here to extrapolate where you're looking for a static target. You could tie this to the actual squeeze condition, looking for the squeeze to fire. That's what the backtester uses for its exit. Or you can even use something like Fibonacci, zooming out, take a look at what kind of levels are still active here. And to me, the COVID swing high to swing low is still very much active inside of DTE, and you use that to try and determine where you'd like to take some profits. If we use our COVID high here real quick, we'll take our high to our low here, tie this to our right condition here, then that gives us some idea of the roadmap that price is currently following, and where we're looking to take targets is near that 1272. For those of you looking to be a bit more aggressive, really that stretch target would be the 1618, which is closer to 150 here inside of DTE, but that very much exceeds that normal percentage of that 3.87% that we just took a look at. So there you have it, a nice setup inside of DTE. For those of you that thought it ran away from you, it's still offering us a nice entry. I think tomorrow you might get an even better price than what I got today. But the squeeze, as long as it has yet to fire, the setup is still very much active, and we're building a nice position here, trying to play the squeeze for when it fires to the long side. I hope you found today's video helpful for those of you still looking for an entry inside of this squeeze setup. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you in our next update.